Darlings. I love my Microlocs. Love my Microlocs. Beautiful darlings. I've had them for about 12 days. I was warned. They told me, my loctitian, love her. She said, one, you cannot wash your locks until 4 to 6 weeks. This yes, sir? Tain't happening. Subscribe to the channel. Hi, somebody, Eddie. Hi, somebody, Eddie. Darlings, it's another day. The morning after I did my rebelforaspell Microlocs almost wash with lemon water. And I'm feeling so much better, my loves. How are you? I hope you're taking care of yourself. Remember. Do you like this? It's by Fenty Beauty. Rebelforaspell is about you. Trust your decisions. Be the truest you. Body, mind, and spirit. Because why? You are worthy. Do you believe you're worthy, my loves? I think you are.
I cannot wash my hair. It is driving me crazy. I cannot have a proper wash day. So I need to use lemon water and purified water mixed together, and that is essentially my wash day. Darlings, you use whatever measurements you need, but I grab my microfiber towel, have it handy, 1 part lemon, half of that lemon, 3 cups of purified water in my measuring cup. Can be room temperature or cold, whatever you like, darling. Here I am showing you my scalp. It does not look dirty to you, but it sure feels dirty to me. A little itchy. It's been a week since I installed my Microlocs.
Tain't happening. My scalp is on fire. I got to go to Target because I got to watch my hair. Listen. I need to sleep. I have to sleep. Pray for your girl. It's Microlocs fail. I'm going to be washing my hair by using 4 parts of water, regular tap water. I'm sweating, darlings. And I'm using this tea tree oil. Going to put a couple droplets in the spray bottle. I hope you can see this, darlings. I'll just zoom in the camera. Microlocs wash day fail. So I've resorted to the typical traditional with shampoo. All right. I couldn't do it. I did my lemon water Wednesday or something like this. I did my lemon water last week. I did my lemon water again the other day. Tell yourself the truth. Anyway, here we go. Shaky. And you could use, they say as well, this weave cap. Can you see, darlings? Or wig cap. Cam. I ain't using that. You cover your hair with that and you spritz. I ain't got time for that. I'm just gonna spritz on my scalp. Come on, baby. It's been a while. It's very fine. I don't know what I'm doing, darlings, clearly. But I need to sleep. Let's see what happens. Shake. Because this path right here was just filled with flakes. I can't be walking around a flaky, stinky head. Not happening, baby. Oh, here we go. Scratching. I'm not scratching, darlings. That's not happening. I am just spritzing and using the pads of my fingers to get in there. Can you see? I'm going to zoom this in so you can see, darlings. Oh, what relief. Oh. Because can you imagine if you're doing going about your day and you're in a meeting, or if you're having lunch and flakes are falling from here, darlings? Flakes are flying everywhere. I'm not used to that. I'm not walking around patting my head and scratching. No. I ain't got time for that. Plus, darlings, I knew it would be difficult for me because, as I told you before, can you see, darlings? As I told you before, I am a germaphobe. Who was I kidding? I am a germaphobe. So how would it be possible for me, a germaphobe, to go 4 weeks without washing my hair? Are you a germaphobe, darlings? Tell us down below. Microlocs, wash day fail. Tell yourself the truth. Then I press, my loves, I press very lightly on my scalp with the oils, on my finger. Just a little bit, I got from the droplet. I press. You girl lucky. Lucky. So darlings, a little love in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel.
Take a look at your screens. Microlocs.
Another video is waiting for you.